Welcome to my channel, where today we're stepping into the future of road luxury with one of the most talked about creations in the automotive world, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a $1.5 million statement of style, technology, and next-level comfort. Lexus, a brand known for crafting refined cars and SUVs, has now set its sights on redefining motorhome travel, and the result is nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine gliding across highways in a futuristic palace on wheels, where every single detail is designed to pamper, inspire, and impress. From its aerodynamic exterior to its cutting-edge smart features, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome brings the sophistication of a luxury penthouse to the open road. And today, I'm going to take you on an exclusive journey through this extraordinary masterpiece. Let's begin with the kitchen, the beating heart of this Lexus Motorhome. Unlike traditional RVs, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome reimagines cooking on the road with elegance and technology combined. Step inside, and you're greeted by a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with sleek, touch-sensitive surfaces and an induction cooktop that responds instantly. The counters are crafted from sustainable quartz stone, resistant to scratches and heat, giving both beauty and durability. A smart refrigerator automatically adjusts temperature zones for different food items, while built-in sensors track your inventory and suggest recipes on the integrated kitchen screen. The sink features a motion sensor faucet with temperature presets, making everyday tasks seamless. There's a convection oven and even a compact dishwasher designed to save water while delivering a spotless finish. Hidden compartments and custom cabinetry maximize storage, keeping everything streamlined and clutter-free. And to top it off, ambient lighting enhances the mood while you enjoy cooking, making this kitchen feel more like a Michelin-starred restaurant than an RV. Now let's step into the bedroom, where Lexus delivers a true sanctuary of relaxation and comfort. This space redefines motorhome luxury with a king-sized floating bed that adapts to your body's needs using AI-controlled firmness and sleep tracking. The walls are lined with acoustic insulation, creating a whisper-quiet environment no matter where you park. A 65-inch retractable OLED display rises at the foot of the bed for your entertainment, paired with a surround sound system integrated into the room's minimalist design. The lighting system simulates sunrise and sunset to naturally adjust your sleep cycle, while climate zones let you personalize the temperature on either side of the bed. Automated blinds open with a voice command, revealing panoramic smart glass windows that tint based on the outside light. Hidden storage beneath the bed and in wall panels keeps the room clutter-free, and every inch of the design feels intentional. It's not just a bedroom, it's a futuristic retreat designed to rejuvenate you on every journey. Next, let's walk into the bathroom, which feels like a 5-star spa retreat. The Lexus Motorhome bathroom boasts a rainfall shower with customizable pressure settings and a built-in aromatherapy system that transforms every shower into a relaxing escape. The walls are lined with antibacterial, self-cleaning tiles that maintain hygiene effortlessly, and underfloor heating keeps the space warm and inviting. A smart vanity with dual sinks recognizes each user and adjusts lighting, mirror angle, and water flow based on personal preferences. The toilet system is eco-friendly with advanced water recycling technology, ensuring sustainability without compromising comfort. Storage solutions are seamlessly built into the walls, with hidden compartments for towels and toiletries, while heated towel racks add a final touch of indulgence. This bathroom doesn't just function, it elevates your daily routine to a spa-like ritual, no matter where your adventures take you. Finally, let's talk about the 2026 Lexus Motorhome as a whole, the most trending luxury motorhome of its time. It blends futuristic Japanese design philosophy with the practicality of modern travel. The exterior is sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Lexus, while the interior integrates luxury with the latest advancements in AI, smart technology, and sustainable engineering. From its autonomous driving capabilities to its seamless connectivity with smart devices, this motorhome is engineered for those who want to explore without sacrificing comfort. It's a vision of how road travel can evolve into an art form, a statement of class and innovation combined. So, what do you think of the $1.5 million Lexus Motorhome? Would you take this futuristic palace on wheels for your next adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tours of the world's most luxurious vehicles.